Judicial criminal cases judgment in shorthand dictation speed start. On the other hand, learned advocate Supreme Court ASC for the complainant oblique respondent appellant in cross criminal appeal number 414 oblique 2013, however, vehemently contested the above arguments full stop. He was of the view that once that guilt of the appellants has been established and believed by the trial court as well as by the high court, after proper appraisal and reappraisal of the evidence, then there was no occasion or room, left out for the reduction of the two appellants' sentence from death to life imprisonment, full stop. He further argued with vehemence, that all the accused had come to the spot duly armed with lethal weapons and jointly attacked to the two deceased with common intention, causing both of them fatal injuries through daggers, hatched and butcher knives, therefore, the case of one or other accused could not be sliced away, nor it can be distinguished on any factual and legal premises from that of the three appellants, full stop. Thus, he further contended that the acquittal of Liaquat Ali respondent and altering oblique reducing the sentence of Amanat Ali respondent from death to 14 years rigorous imprisonment have got no sanction of law in view of the well settled principle that liability of each one of the accused for the purpose of awarding sentences was one and the same, hence, the impugned judgment of the Lahore High Court is liable to be reversed to that extent, as in his view, the same suffers from patent error of law, full stop. Error of law, full stop, para, as the learned advocate Supreme Court has confined his submission to reduction of the sentence of the two appellants, on the grounds mentioned in the earlier part of this judgment, therefore, we have to determine this question of vital importance as on merits of the case.